Don't think too much. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Don't think too much. You know, overthinking is the enemy of productivity. Yes. And actually, what are you doing is not thinking. It's daydreaming. It's delusion. Because, thinking is fast and short, and when you want to make decisions, you make decision quickly. But delusion is long, and it wastes hours and hours and hours of your time, your life. And that's true, because actually it gives you a confused and scattered mind. Illusion prevents you from doing your important things in your life. And I want to tell you something. If you are the queen of your life, the king, the heroine, the hero of your own life, you must know when to think and when to make decision. Quick. Repeating illusions over and over will get you where? Nowhere. So be very careful. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your future. Don't waste your goals. Don't waste your value. Don't waste your existence. Don't waste you. On useless illusions. Okay? And dear unique, always remember, there is only one you. No one can take your place. And also, you cannot take someone else's place. So focus on yourself. Okay? Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond.